kuble api baro te hakani video ngan pen ia pi ki jingkeli by day bat ka subject environment bat ka topic ka day spang ka pollution kabanang kong nga jingkeli ni what is an undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristic of land, water or soil due to introduction of contaminants called the answer kadai pollution. What are the agents that bring about such an undesirable change? Lani pollution are called agents kadai pollutants. 3. When did the government of India pass the Environment Protection Act? In the year 1986. 4. Which act was passed to protect and improve the environment, the quality of our environment? The act kadai Environment Protection Act. What is the impact of air pollution on plants? Impact kadai reduced growth and yield of crops. 6. On what does the harmful effect of pollution depend upon? Kadai the concentration, duration of exposure to pollutants and the organisms. 7. Which industries release particulate air pollutants along with harmless gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, etc.? Kadai thermal, power plant and smelters. 8. Which is the most widely used technique for removing particulate matter? Kadai electrostatic precipitator. 9. What does CPCB stand for? Kadai Central Pollution Control Board. 10. Why is CNG kadai compressed natural gas preferred over petrol? Burns most efficiently. 11. Which of the following is called the secondary air pollutant? Kadai ozone. 12. Which of the following statements is true about the air quality index? Kadai option B, it predicts ozone levels in our area. 13. Which of the following statements is true about smoke? Smoke is derived from both fog and smoke. Next kaniga question 14. The major photochemical smoke is kadai chlorofluorocarbon. Next 15. Which of the following gas is more in percentage in the air? Kadai nitrogen gas. Next, increased levels of air pollution results in kadai respiratory problems. Next question, the Taj Mahal Lotus Temple, Golden Temple, India Gate and other famous heritage monuments are being affected by air pollution. What is the total percentage of nitrogen gas in the air? Kadai 78%. Which of the following gases are called greenhouse gases? Kadai both A and C kata day methane but carbon dioxide. Nitrogen kam day ka greenhouse gases, methane but carbon dioxide but day. Next, which of the following agents is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? Kadai sulfur dioxide. In India, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came into force in the year 1981, but was amended in 1987 to include noise as an air pollutant. Laban wan jingkli na kani nang ta sa kaway pat kani the government of India has passed the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 to safeguard our water resources. Next in page ini jingkli kani bankong kepada batka subject environment hi. Bankong which of these layers of the atmosphere consists of the ozone layer that is responsible for absorbing the ultraviolet light? Kadai ka layer of atmosphere stratosphere. 2. What is the estimated percentage of forest land that India should ideally have? Kadai 33%. An extensive number of chains interlinked in an ecosystem forms a dashed together food web. How many total numbers of biodiversity hotspots are there in the world? 36. In which of these years was the Forest Conservation Act amended? 1988. Which of these elements is present in drinking water that can lead to numerous fatal diseases? Kadai arsenic. Which of these are also known as detrivorous? Kadai decomposers. The 3R principle is in which of the following order? Kadai 3R, reduce, reuse, recycle. Once we reduce, nang ta reuse but recycle. Why carbon dioxide is called a greenhouse gas? Because they absorb heat. 16 September is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day. How much percent of the Earth's surface is occupied by water? Kadai 71%. Which layer of the atmosphere the gases are totally absent? Kadai exosphere. How much percent of the total water available on the Earth are fresh water form? 0.3%. Dash percent of the Earth's atmosphere is occupied by land? 29%. 29% of the Earth's surface is occupied by land, but 71% of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The process of converting solid directly into gas is called sublimation. The process of converting gas directly into solid kadai deposition. Tetang gini jingkeli hublai sibon.